Fifth grade into math, lesson 20.3, classify and organize quadrilaterals. I can classify and compare quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals have how many sides? Four, right? Spark your learning. Farm lands, when viewed from above, often look like they are divided into different polygons, including quadrilaterals. Look at the quadrilateral shown. Make a list of 5 attributes that a quadrilateral can have. Then write the number of each quadrilateral matching each attribute. So usually a quadrilateral sometimes has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay. Okay, so which ones would go with that? Would 1, 2, 3? No. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys tell me. Yes. Okay. 10. 11. Sorry, I forgot to read 10, 11. Nope. 12. Okay. All right. And another thing could be, we said 2 pairs of parallel sides, just sometimes they never have parallel sides. Okay. So no pairs of parallel sides. Okay, so let's go through this. Clearly, these that we just listed up there are not going to be choices in there, right? Okay, so 3, okay, 4, 5, okay, then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What about 11? Okay. All right. Then, what does number 11 have? A right angle. So quadrilaterals can have right angles. And actually, guys, the more I was thinking about this, they want to know about what? Quadrilateral. So can we list number 11? No, because it is not a quadrilateral. It is a triangle. So really number 11 probably won't go on anything because it's not even a quadrilateral. Okay, so what has a right angle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't see one on 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're not looking at because it's not even a quadrilateral, right? And then what about 12? No. Okay, the right angles, 4 sides of equal length. One. Yes. 2. No. 4 sides of no. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. Yes, no. Yes. Because it is a what? A rhombus. Okay, 11 we're not looking at, and 12 is just a parallelogram. 12 is not have equal length. No? Okay, 2 pairs of sides with equal length. Okay, so clearly 1 isn't going to be 1, right? 2?
Yeah.
Yes. 3? No. 4? No. 5? 6? 7 isn't, because we already did that first one above it. Let's see. 7, 8? No, but guys, we could add in 1 because there's still 2 pairs. So 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, no. What about 9?
Yes.
Okay, so 9, and then we can add in 10, right? And then 12. Now, why did I go back and say that? Because what have we learned? That a square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot be a square. Okay, so that's why we could go back and add those. Okay, and then no sides of equal length. Okay, so what we primarily focused on here was the parallel sides, right? Okay, a right angle, and then also side lengths. Okay, so no sides of equal length. So what did we not put on any of those up there? 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so build understanding some quadrilaterals can be classified by more than one attribute. So over here, vocabulary. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with pairs of opposite sides that are congruent and parallel. Some parallelograms have special names based on their specific properties. A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. A square is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. So quadrilateral, 2 pairs of congruent parallel sides, and it says yes, is a what? Parallelogram. All sides are congruent. They said yes, so that means it's a, what did it say for your vocabulary? A rhombus. Okay, all sides meet at right angles. They say yes. Square. So it can be a rectangle, okay, because a square can be a rectangle, right? So that's within that. All sides are congruent and all sides meet at a right angle. Can a rectangle be a square though? No, because it doesn't have 4 equal sides. What attributes does a square have in common with a rhombus? So both have 4. They both have what? 4 congruent sides. They're asking to compare a square and a rhombus, not a square and a rectangle. So what do a square and a rhombus share in common? They all have 4 congruent sides. What attributes does a rectangle have in common with a parallelogram? They both have 2 pairs of what?
Parallel sides.
Okay. 2 pairs of parallel sides. And then also the opposite sides are what? Congruent, right? Step it out. An artist draws a stained glass design using quadrilaterals. So there are two accepted definitions of a trapezoid. One definition defines a trapezoid as having exactly one pair of parallel sides. The other definition defines the trapezoid as having at least one pair of parallel sides. Okay? So find and shade all the quadrilaterals among these figures in the diagram. So basically, it has to have what? 4 sides, right? Okay. So, okay, so we need to, what about here? Yes, right? Here, here. Okay, here's another one. Okay, the rest around there are triangles. Here's another one. Another one here. Another one here. Another one here. 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 Another one. Here. 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 You guys should be doing them lightly because you're going to have to write numbers on them if you look ahead at the next couple questions. Okay, so those get real tiny, right? Here's one. I think that's it, right? Like that. Okay, then letter B says find the trapezoid. So write one if there is exactly one pair of parallel sides. Okay, so as I said, not to write so dark. Okay, so this one would be a 1. This one would be a 1. A 1. A 1. And they only want one pair. So this one does have pairs, but there's 2, right? Okay. A 1. A 1. 1. 1. A 1. A 1. A 1. Is that it? Okay. Then they want us to write a 2 if there is at least one pair. So basically, there could be more than one, right? Okay. So these that we all put 1 on, we would put a 2 on as well, right? Okay, then those that we don't all can do these have any parallel sides right up in here? No, this one does though, right? This one does, this one does, this one does, this one does, this one does. Any others? I think it's just those 2 that don't have anything written on them yet. Okay, then letter C, write 3 in each parallelogram. So parallelogram means there's 2 pairs of parallel sides. So this one over here would be a 3, a 3, a 3, a 3. Do I need a 3 anywhere else? I think that's it, right? Just those 4. Oh, no, right here. These 2 little ones. So there's 6 of them, right? Okay, so letter D, based on parts B and C, what attributes do parallelograms and trapezoids share under each definition of a trapezoid? So they have at least what? 4 sides. So